Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens with the frame using a pry tool. Next, apply heat to the broken camera lens glasses. Next, push from the rear side to take out the lens ring. Next, clean the lens area to remove the broken pieces. Next, place the new lens ring with adhesive. Follow the same steps for the other broken lens glasses too. Next, secure the lens with the frame to the mid frame. Also, there is another option to replace the complete camera lens unit. Pull the camera lens with the frame and then replace the new camera lens with the frame to the mid frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.